Singapore property market just hold one of the strongest months in 2025. In July, new private home sales surged to their highest level this year, and August kept the momentum going. But here's the question, what's driving this spike in demand? And more importantly, should you buy into the trend or wait for a correction? Now, let's break this down, the numbers, the buyer psychology, and what this means for you if you are upgrading to a luxury condo or investing in your next property. In July 2025, developers moved over 1,400 new private homes, the highest sales volume we have seen this year. August was the spike, with over 1,000 transactions, making it one of the strongest back-to-back performances since 2022. What's behind this? A wave of highly anticipated launches like River Green and Promenade Peak in the CCR that drew strong crowds and quick take-ups. Their PSF was very attractive. This isn't just a seasonal hype. It reflects a shift in the buyer confidence, especially among Singaporeans looking for long-term appreciation. Here's an important detail. The majority of buyers are Singaporeans, not foreigners. Foreign demand has been tempered by the high ABSD, but local upgraders, many selling HDBs at record resale prices, are powering the market. Upgraders are chasing lifestyle upgrades, better locations, and properties with stronger capital appreciation potential. The luxury segment also saw steady interest, with investors focusing on long-term rental demand and wealth preservation. Here's something you can't ignore. New launches are consistently outperforming resale condos in terms of absorption rate. Why? Modern facilities and layout. Buyers want smart home features, flexible layouts, and top-tier facilities. Deferred payment schemes. You only pay progressively during construction, making cash flow easier and also a better safety net. Capital appreciation story. Resale units often lag in PSF growth compared to brand new launches. This explains why so many HDB upgraders, especially those selling million-dollar flats, are skipping resale and heading straight for new projects. Let's talk about buyer psychology. After 2 years of cautious sentiment due to cooling measures and global uncertainty, 2025 seems like a turning point. People are realizing supply is limited, land prices are not going down, and if you wait, the next launch is likely to be even more expensive. That fear of missing out, combined with HDB owners cashing out, is creating urgency in the market. Developers also know this, and they are pricing projects strategically to sell momentumly, phases quickly. Take for example River Green. It launched at an average of 3,130 per square foot and sold out its first 88% on day one of launch. Another project, Promenade Peak, pushed 3,500 per square foot and still attracted strong upgrader demand because of its location near transport and schools. What this tells us is that when projects have the right mix of branding, location, and entry price, buyers are ready to commit even at today's level. So what does all this mean if you are planning your next move? If you are upgrading from HDB, timing matters. Enter at the right launch can maximize both convenience and appreciation. If you are investing, don't just chase discounts. Focus on projects with long-term demand drivers. And if you are waiting for prices to drop, don't hold your breath. Land and construction costs means developers have little room to cut. 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year in Singapore property. The surge in July and August sales isn't random. It's a signal of where buyer confidence is heading. So the real question is, are you going to ride the wave or sit on the sidelines? Drop in the comments. Would you buy now or wait for the next launch? And if you find this breakdown useful, hit subscribe, share this video, and check out my website at sgluxurycondo.com for an in-depth guides and insights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.